single parent and hardworking mom. Would you still move in with that beautiful Filipina if you knew her number one priority was not you? Her priority is her followers, likes, memberships, vanity, narcissism, live streams, and TikTok dances. Today's episode will give my perspective into a brutal reality that many foreigners discover way too late. That is that cohabitating with a social media Filipina can be emotionally draining and demoralizing. It can also be downright depressing. Many foreigners imagined life in the Philippines would be filled with peace, smiles, and romantic evenings. But instead, they wake up next to a woman who's not interested in good morning kisses. She is only interested in checking who liked her latest Instagram selfie. She's more concerned about the perfect angle for her live stream than whether you ate breakfast. Every trip to the mall, every dinner, even private conversations are all interrupted by her need to capture content for her followers. You are not her partner. You're her unpaid cameraman. You are present only in body and not soul. Living with a social media addicted Filipina can feel like you're constantly competing with her online audience. You want intimacy, she wants TikTok dances. You want a private conversation, she's too busy live streaming to strangers. You want loyalty, but she's getting validation from thousands of men online dropping emojis and comments. Slowly, as a man, you begin to question yourself. Am I important? Or am I just background noise in her cheese for likes and sponsorships? That's the demoralizing part. You thought cohabitation meant building a future together, but for here, it's just about building an online brand. Truthfully speaking, social media creates temptation. The moment she posts in skimpy clothes, hundreds of thirsty men from around the world message her. They call her beautiful, goddess, queen, and slowly her loyalty shifts from the man in her house to the invisible man on her phone. This is not a small issue. It creates jealousy, mistrust, insecurity, and ultimately a relationship collapse. Foreigners who move in with a social media Filipina often see the same thing. It's like living with two different women. In person, she's distant, distracted, moody. Online, she's bubbly, sweet, full of energy for strangers. You end up emotionally starved in your own home. Living together is supposed to bring intimacy, bonding, teamwork, but instead, it feels like living with a roommate who's already married to her phone. Cohabitating with a social media Filipina is demoralizing and a relationship of futility. Do you want to live in a relationship where the world has more access to your partner than you do? Because the hard truth is that love can survive distance, culture, even age gaps. But it struggles to survive when one person is addicted to validation from strangers. Choose a Filipina companion wisely. Living with a social media Filipina may not destroy your wallet, but it can absolutely destroy your spirit, heart, and peace of mind. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.